in our today's assignment, the first question is what is current? Okay, the flow of electricity in a circuit is called as current. The flow of electricity in a circuit is called as current. And the second question is name inner parts of a torchlight. Okay, here metal spring, cell, switch, reflector, glass, bulb, hollow cylindrical barrel, outer layer. Okay, these are all the internal parts of a torchlight. And the third question is what purpose we use a switch and where do we use a switch in our houses? So we know that switch helps us to put off or to put on the electrical appliances, right? So here we use switch to put off or to put on the torchlight. At the same time, in our house appliances also we will observe that the switches is used to help the switch on the fan or switch off the fan, or switch on the light or switch off the light. Okay, so and the fourth question is write the construction and working of a torchlight. So here I am writing the construction and how to construct a torchlight and how it will works and what are the parts it contains. Okay, torchlight is used as a source of light. To see any object in a dark place, we just want to use a light. So here instead of that we are using a torchlight as a source of light to see the objects. Okay, the parts of a torchlight are already we know in the second question what we have here, the parts same as the cell, bulb, metal spring, reflector, and the same time a hollow cylindrical barrel. We have a switch for torchlight and reflector. So this torchlight consists of all these composition of all these materials. Okay, here if we observe that a torchlight has two ends, one end is closed with a glass and other end is closed with a metal cap. So to the metal cap we have a metal spring. Okay, the lid consists of a metal spring. So it will use it to insert, it will open and we insert the cells into the torchlight. Okay, it helps us to open or to close the circuit. Okay, in a torchlight. So likewise we will use the torchlight. Okay ma? And the fifth question. The fifth question is explain a circuit with a switch. Explain a circuit with a switch. So before going to that, the aim is to explain a circuit with switch. So here I am taking a wooden plank. Now I am going to construct a circuit. So here I am taking one cell which is having a metal cap at one end and a flat surface to the other end. This flat surface we taken as a negative terminal and this one we taken as a metal cap at the side of metal cap. We will consider that as a positive terminal. Okay, and here I am taking that a bulb. Okay, a bulb which is having a long length spring one and a small line one. So this long we called as a positive terminal, this I am considering as a negative terminal. Now I am using a connecting wires to connect these two electrical components. So one of the wire I connected to the positive terminal of the bulb to the negative terminal of a cell, and the positive terminal of the cell is going to connect at the drawing pin at point A, and one more drawing pin is there at point B, and the negative terminal onwards I am taking one more connecting wire to connect to the point B. Now here there is no closed path to flow the electricity from cell to the bulb and bulb to the cell, right? So here I am using a conductor to allow the current from the cell and to pass through the connecting wire. So here I am taking a conductor which I am taking as a safety pin. In between I am using this as a safety pin. So safety pin is a conductor. Conductor means which allows the current to pass through it. The material what we that material just acts as a conductor which allows the current to pass through it. Okay, so here if we connect this in between point A and point B, then automatically the current passes through this material and it will reaches to it and the bulb will glow. Okay, so here there is a main key role which plays by the switch. Switch plays a vital role in the entire circuit. Okay, to flow of electricity from one place to another place, the switch plays a vital role in the entire electrical circuit. Okay, thank you.